Timeless concepts from Physics Helpline. In this video tutorial, we will discuss a multiple choice question on the motion of a charged particle inside a uniform magnetic field. The question is as follows. Read the question carefully. We are given a proton and a deuteron. They are moving with equal kinetic energies and enter a region of uniform magnetic field in a direction perpendicular to the direction of the field. If the radius of circular path for the proton is rp and that for the deuteron is rd, then we are required to find the ratio rp by rd. Before proceeding to solve the problem, let us recall the related concepts. Let us try to understand why the charged particle will move in a circular path, and let us determine the sense of the circular path, which depends on the direction of centripetal force, which is provided by the magnetic Lorentz force. The two charged particles given to us are one, a proton, and second, a deuteron. Both of them are positively charged. Therefore, we write in general Q is positive. And they enter any charged particle, any one of the two, when it enters the magnetic field region at point P with a velocity in the direction of positive x-axis, because this happens to be the positive x direction and this is the positive y direction. And the plane of the figure is nothing but the xy plane. Therefore, the velocity of the charged particle is along the positive x direction. Therefore, we write v vector is equal to v into I cap. And the magnetic field represented by these dots means that the field direction is out of the plane of the figure and out of it, is perpendicular to the plane and out of it, which happens to be the positive direction of z-axis. So, the magnetic field vector is equal to B into k cap. Now, the necessary centripetal force for the circular path is provided by the magnetic Lorentz force. Let us determine the magnetic Lorentz force Fm. Now, Fm is defined as Q into V cross B. Now, Q into V is Vi cap cross B k cap. Now, the magnitudes outside, which is equal to QVB into I cap cross k cap. Now, we know that I cap cross k cap is equal to minus j cap. Therefore, the magnetic Lorentz force will act in the negative y direction, which is this direction. Therefore, we have written Fm, the arrow that represents the magnetic Lorentz force is pointing downwards. Now, this provides the necessary centripetal force. Therefore, this Fm, direction of Fm should be towards the center. Therefore, the path of the charged particle will be circular and clockwise, not the other way. It will be clockwise. Now, for the answer. Now, we have already discussed the motion of a charged particle inside a magnetic field. So, let's just post the equations. Fc is equal to the necessary centripetal force is given by Fc is equal to mv square by r, where m is the mass of the charged particle and r is the radius of circular path. And Fm, the magnetic force, is equal to QVB, that we have already discussed. One provides the other. Centripetal force is provided by magnetic force. Therefore, equating the two, we get QVB is equal to mv square by r. So, r is equal to mv square by QVB. So, 1v gets cancelled here. We get mv by QB. R is equal to mv by QB. Now, mv is nothing but the linear momentum of the particle, p. So, we get r is equal to p by QB. Now, kinetic energy K is equal to P square by 2m. Therefore, which gives us P is equal to root over 2mk, because P square will be 2mk and P will be root over 2mk. Therefore, R is equal to root over 2mk divided by QB. Here, we have written the same equation for the radius of circular path for the proton. We write radius of circular path is given as Rp, which is equal to root over 2 into Mp into K divided by Qp into B. Now, let us recollect that the kinetic energy of both proton and deuteron is same, they are equal. Therefore, we use the same notation K for both. Similarly, for the deuteron, we write Rd is equal to root over 2md into K divided by Qd into B. Now, for the required ratio Rp by Rd, we put the values of Rp and Rd. Root over 2mpk divided by Qp into B divided by root over 2md into K divided by Qd into B. We see that this K, kinetic energies of both the particles are same. 2 gets cancelled and B also gets cancelled. We see that the charge on the proton is the same as that on the deuteron. So that also gets cancelled. So all we get is Rp by Rd is equal to root over Mp by Md. Root over Mp divided by root over Md, which is nothing but root over Mp by Md. Now we understand that the mass of a deuteron is double that of the proton. Therefore, Mp by Md is equal to 1 by 2. Root over that is equal to 1 by root 2. Therefore, we get Rp by Rd is equal to 1 by root 2, which is the answer to the question. Therefore, the correct option is C. This completes the answer to the question. Thanks for watching. If the video is helpful, then please like, share and subscribe.